girl.
Nom nom nom.
No, I bleached out the inside of the ducks in case there were mold in them.
Nom nom nom.
Here, grab it yourself. Good girl. Okay, now give it back to me.
Is that good, huh? Is that good, sweetie? We like green beans, huh? Mmm, yummy.
Good girl, chick. Yes, girl. Good girl. She's like, I want some of that. Too bad. Yoo-hoo.
How about in a week or so or two?
Here, babe. Baby. Good girl.
Goodness.
Mmm. She likes to eat. Are you saying no?
Yes. Say yes. Not no. Say yes, Mama.
Good girl. Yeah, she hasn't done this before.
Aiden. Hi, sweetie.
If she's a little bit dehydrated, it'll even give her a dizzy sensation. So she could be doing that because
That's
it's
funny.
fun.
Oh, where's her water? It's next to that on the bar. Thanks. Want some water?
Look at that girl go.
And this actually keeps her from knocking it over. It's a pretty good little.
Good job.
For like a cheap little rubber, it works pretty well.
Yoo-hoo. Good girl. You can have it later. Like.
She's telling you she likes the avocado better. What do you
You wanna
think
do
was
it?
her favorite?